Welcome to Project Solarae, a journey into the realms of speculative evolution. In this first episode, we embark on an exploration of the Verdantara System. A place where life has yet to take hold, but the potential for extraordinary evolution awaits. Our first stop, Verdantara. Verdantara is a terrestrial world nestled within the habitable zone of its sun, Solarae. Verdantara is a world of untapped potential. Its rocky surface awaits the seeds of life to sprout and grow, over countless millennia. Verdantara has two main landmasses, with many islands scattered about. We will begin to track the movement of these landmasses about 4.3 billion years ago, because this is when the first complex multicellular life evolved. The movement of these landmasses will look something like this. Next, we have Lamina, the larger of Verdantara's two moons. Though lacking in atmosphere and liquid water, its rugged terrain is rich in minerals. And now, we turn our gaze to Aquilia, the smaller moon with a unique story to tell. Aquilia, a world of water and islands, is the sole moon in the Verdantara system able to support life. It might be interesting to see how life would evolve on this small moon, but that is for another time. As we continue our journey through the Verdantara system, we'll witness the incredible transformations these worlds may undergo in the distant future. From lifeless rocks to thriving ecosystems, the possibilities are endless. Thank you all for watching. In the next episode, we will see the first forms of life evolve on Verdantara and how they will adapt to take over every niche available. Hope to see you there.